What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. I got a massive headache today. I was saying in my Discord, it feels like I took a right hook from Mike Tyson in his prime. Honestly, if that happened, I'd probably be in the morgue. But if I survived, I figured this is how it would feel. And when I look at screens, it only intensifies. So I want to get out a couple of videos though. For Bitcoin and for a couple of the alts. So we're sitting at 30.4K. We're still consolidating, 0.55 on the day. Same market cap of 591 B. 24-hour volume, 14.84 billion. So here's what I think is probable. Sideways price action. Push up and grab a little bit of liquidity here above this trend line before potentially seeing continuation down. Now, of course, anything can happen. If we were to break to the upside, then the wave 5 is simply not finished yet. Anything is possible, and we already took profits on our long trade, and as a LA wave trader, we don't trade the corrections, we trade the impulse, so we wait for that wave to pull back to look for another entry. Daily chart, bearish divergence on the RSI, a little bit of a higher high. Now, of course, on the daily, these can take time to play out. I've seen them take months before, like 2 months. Daily bearish divergence to play out, but they can play out more quickly. See right here, let's look at the dates. January, this was the peak, January all the way to February. Basically towards the end of February, we created a bearish divergence on the daily before we saw that drop. So it can take time. 20 EMA is a good signal to watch. If we were to lose that support, that would be more of a sign that we're going to come down. As I mentioned, if we push higher, create one more higher high, grab some liquidity, that's fine. We already took profits on our trade. We wait for the pullback. DXY, this is indicating to me that we'll see continuation down for BTC, because you can see how badly the DXY bled and BTC didn't move. So it's showing weakness against DXY dropping. BTC should go up. So there's not a lot of buyers, and we have a bullish divergence. Looks like a nice 5-way move. So if we start to put in the wave 2, DXY is going up, BTC should come down, continue to correct. So look for that. We have bullish divergence on the 1 hour time frame. All right, I try to simplify it as best as I can for you guys. When there aren't any trades with the LE wave method in crypto, we're trading Forex, and I'm giving signals for that. It's only 10 bucks a month. You know, same price as you can't even get a steak for that. Even in here in Africa, it's, if you go to a steakhouse, like at least $15. But it's better than like 40, 50 back in Canada. Ridiculous. Anyways, that's it for this video. My head is throbbing, but I'm going to try to get a couple more out. You know, when your headache is so bad, it makes you feel like you're going to throw up. It's one of those. My eyes are sensitive to screen. I have like hazel green eyes. Oh, so beautiful. And they're quite sensitive to the screen. So, and I work online, but no complaints. So the Discord, we have over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. The signals are 10 bucks a month. Signals, daily analysis, crypto news, member profits, hodl alt plays, Forex signals and analysis. We have some trades coming up for Forex, 3 trades, it looks like. We're going to take, most likely. We'll see how everything plays out. It's 10 bucks a month. Just check it out. Why not? I mean, it's up to you though. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.